Welcome to Clear Sound Security, your professional electronic security provider since 1978. We are specialist installers of access control systems, gate automation and barriers, CCTV, monitored CCTV, intruder and fire alarm systems. With a comprehensive range of CCTV surveillance and digital recording solutions, from single camera to multi-site installations, including full design and maintenance packages, we have the right solution for you. Entry to your premises can be secured by a simple key code or proximity card system to more sophisticated biometric solutions. All systems can also include intercom or video intercom for visitors. Intruder and fire systems are critical to the safety and security of your premises. Clear Sound Security have the experience and technical knowledge to offer you the most up-to-date and reliable solutions on the market today. Established since 1978, you can be sure that we will give you the right advice and top quality products that are installed to the very highest standards. Finally, but most importantly, Clear Sound Security are a fully accredited NSI NACOS Gold approved company, including ISO 9001 quality assurance. Being independently inspected, you can have complete confidence when buying from Clear Sound Security. Visit our website or call us today for your free survey and quotation.